Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G22 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and then let's find the apps, so they should be on the third position. Now we have to tap on see all 30 apps, of course 30 are in my case. Then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on reset up preferences. As you can see, your device will inform you what it will actually reset. So the disabled apps, app notifications, applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, or any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so just tap on reset apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your NOKIA G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.